How to use this ice maker. First, plug it in. When it's standby, the power indicator flashes. Take the ice basket out. Add some water to the water reservoir. And make sure the water level doesn't exceed the max mark. Press power button to turn on the unit. You can choose the desired ice size by pressing the L or S button. It would take 6 to 12 minutes to produce one round of ice. Please note, the first round of ice may be defective. The ice will be in the best condition after 3 to 4 rounds. Why the unit is not working properly. If you find there's ice full alarm, please check if there's ice or debris blocking the sensor. If so, please remove it and the unit will return to work. If not, please contact customer service team for help. If you find there's water shortage alarm, please check the water level in the water reservoir. Although there may be a little water, but it could be insufficient. If you find the pump is making noise when it's pumping water, please process the scaling process as below. Add some white vinegar into the water reservoir, then add some clean water to mix into solution. Long press the power button to activate the self-cleaning function. It could help do cleaning the inner accumulating scale. Remember to repeat this step with drinking water to remove the smell. If there is no produced ice without any failing, you could feel the fans coming out from the side vents to see if it's hot and report it to the service team.